Hello students, this is our English speaking class for class 6 and today we are going to learn present perfect tense. So in this class some important points we will learn, like first of all we will learn about the structure of the tense, then use of the tense, then we will learn about some examples of present perfect tense. So we will learn structure of the tense. Here first of all we have to write subject. We can take here any subject and accordingly we will take verb. So verb will come according to subject, and after that we use MV3, means main verb third form. So always we have to use MV3 like third form of the main verb in present perfect tense, and plus object, means whatever we will write as an object we can add with a sentence. Like here I have taken one example, I have done my work. So here I is subject. According to subject we have to take our verb. So with I always we take have in perfect tense. So I have, then third form of the verb will be done. After that as an object we will take my work. So the sentence will be I have done my work, and the sentence will be in perfect tense. Students, here we will see with which subject we can use helping verb has and have. So if the subject will be I, you, we, they, so we will take helping verb have. Or if plural subject will be third form and in plural in number, so for that also we will take have, and after that third form of main verb and after object. And here if our subject is in third form but it is in singular number, so we will take has with that. So if there is noun like he, she, it, or any name is given, so single name is given, so we will take has, and after that MV3, and same like that object we will add here. So our sentence will be accordingly. Now we will learn use of tense. We use the present perfect tense for actions in the past when we are not thinking or talking about the exact time that they happened. Sentences in the present perfect tense connect the past and the present in some way. I have cleaned the bike. The bike is clean now. Second sentence is somebody has broken the window. The window is now broken. Third sentence is the school bus has come. It is now here. Next sentence is I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework, now I am free. So here one thing you have to note, use the simple past tense, not the present perfect tense, with words or phrases that mentions the time when something happened. If you will write I have met Ramesh yesterday, so that will be wrong. Here we have to write I met Ramesh yesterday. Now we will compare the sentences where we have to use simple past tense and where we have to use present perfect tense. So here we will see I finished my homework an hour ago. The simple past tense is used in this sentence because we have mentioned the time that the action happened. We can use the present perfect form of verbs for actions or states which began in the past and are still going on. Like I have known him for a long time. We have lived in Delhi since 1995. Some examples also we will take here. He has read various kinds of books. Here he we have taken as subject, and according to our subject has will come. He has read, because third form of the verb will also be read, so we will take here read. He has read various kinds of books. After that, they have played football. With they always have will come. After that, MV3 we will take they have played football. She has taken office. After that, he has gone to the library. We have shopped in this market. We have watched movies in this cineplex. So students, only you have to make in your mind that subject will be there, and according to that helping verb be there. Helping verb will be there, like have or has you have to use according to your subject, and after that always you have to use MV3 means third form of the verb, and after that you will use object. So like that it will be our sentence in present perfect tense. So I am finishing this class. Have a nice day.